Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here, and happy Cinco de Mayo. Let's see. Today is Wednesday, May 5th, and I'll give everybody a few minutes here to join in. We are getting ready to open. We are not normally open on Wednesdays, but we are going to be open today with a very limited menu, margaritas, a full bar. Give everybody a minute here because it looks like it's lagging today to see when I am on live. Hello, hello. All right, there we go. I am. People are joining me now, so awesome. Hello, Joel. Hello from Arizona. If you are joining me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello, Ralph. So we are not normally open on Wednesdays. I was just talking about that. We are usually closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but because it's Cinco de Mayo, we are going to be open today with a very limited menu and our full bar and margaritas. So our back garden will be open. The street is closed, so they have the street closed. It is drizzling a little bit. Hopefully the rain will stop. Maybe we'll put out some tables, not sure, but our garden will be open, so we need to get those tables wiped and get that ready to go outside for you. If it gets nice, then maybe we will light a fire, so you can come sit, have a margarita, sit outside around the fire. Hopefully it will dry off out there. We'll wipe everything down, and that's it. So we are, let's see, so again, we are closed tonight typically, but we are we are closed on Wednesdays, but we are open tonight. Limited menu. I recommend just giving us a call so we know that you're coming in. We have a few reservations already. And tomorrow we are open regular through the weekend. Sunday is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all those moms out there. And we are open regular on Sunday, 3 o'clock. Please call and make reservations. We're not doing a brunch this year. And our $9.99 special this week is chicken tikka masala with rice. So if you want to order that. All right, so I'm gonna make a blood orange margarita today. Our frozen margarita is ready as well, but I am going to go ahead and make a blood orange margarita to start. I've had some special requests for blood orange margaritas. I've had some special requests, so if there's a drink you would like to see me make, if you want to just private message us, let me know. Put a comment down for me, and let me know what you'd like to see me make. So, all right, I'm gonna put ice in my shaker, and I like my margaritas with salt around the rim, so I'm just going to put some salt around the rim. And I like my margaritas on the rocks, so I'm going to do that. I am going to use reposado, this agave reposado, agavales, but typically our margaritas are made with Pueblo Vieja Blanco, but I'm just going to make it a little different today. So I am going to start with 2 ounces of reposado. I am also going to use this triple sec today from Untitled Spirits. I'm going to put an ounce of triple sec. Typically in our margaritas we use curacao. So we have the Pueblo Vieja in our frozen margarita. I'm going to add a splash of agave.
Tell me why we like the Pueblo Vieja.
I have not. You're the detail person. So I'm going to add about an ounce of lime juice. So Marcus, why do we use Pueblo Vieja in our well and also in our frozen margaritas?
It's our house tequila. Back in the late to mid 90s, the owner was assassinated, killed, murdered because...
actually, while you're telling the story, I'm just going to add about an ounce of blood orange. I actually juiced the blood orange. So
they were after his agave supply. So they figured if they knocked him off, they would...
So the owner of Pueblo Vieja, if you haven't heard, was killed during the agave wars in Mexico in
the mid-90s.
And his wife took over the distillery.
They didn't expect that. They thought that the distillery would fold, but she took over the distillery and owns the distillery to this day. And at one time, she was the only female distillery owner in all of Central and South America. most female-friendly workplace in Mexico, free child daycare, and mostly female staff, and just a great person all around. Her name is Carmen.
Carmen. So Carmen owns Pueblo Vieja. This is in our frozen daiquiri. So Courtney's going to give me a little frozen daiquiri in the glass. Frozen margarita, because today's Margarita Day. Today's Cinco de Mayo. Blood orange margarita. It's awesome with reposado and triple sec. Delicious. Take a picture. Marcus is taking a picture for, I don't know for what.
Social media.
Social media somewhere.
Smile this way.
So dorky, but that's okay.
All right, let me take a picture of the blood.
All right, so blood orange margarita. So what I did today also is, so our margaritas are unflavored. So the frozen margarita is unflavored. So we can flavor it however you'd like. We can make peach, we can make hibiscus, we can make strawberry. So I made some strawberry puree with fresh strawberries and agave. I am going to just shake that up a little bit with ice so it's nice and cold. I'm gonna just put a little bit on ice, just a little bit. I'm gonna shake it up so it's nice and cold. And then I'm going to put it on top of, hopefully this works, on top of the frozen, whoops, maybe not. I'm so sure that's gonna work, everybody, but anyway, that won't work. I'm gonna take a little bit of the strawberry puree and I'm gonna put it into the margarita, mix it on up. Make a little strawberry frozen margarita. Sometimes I have to do things a little differently. So, all right, let's try it. Strawberry margarita, frozen. Delicious. So, come on in tonight. Get your margaritas. We use the Pueblo Vieja for our house-made margaritas. They're awesome. They are delicious. The streets are closed. Come on in tonight. Get a margarita, pizzas, salads. We will have some other things, but just very limited menu tonight. And that is it. Anything else we want to add?
Nope, that's it.
All right, everybody. See you tomorrow for my Facebook Live.
Strawberry's really good.
The strawberry is really good, right?
I like the blood orange.
Yeah.
The strawberry's really good.
All right. Have a great night, everybody. And I will see you tomorrow for my Facebook Live. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Are you doing popcorn machine tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? We'll pull the popcorn machine out and we'll do some popcorn tonight as well.
Popcorn.
Free popcorn tonight on the street. I'm going to get that going and we'll see everybody soon. Talk to you later. Bye.